Well, good morning to everybody on the 5th of July. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Anyway, here we are at Superblast Pressure Washing. Another day in the office. Got this driveway to take care of today. First thing this morning. And we also have a unique situation in the back. So we'll go ahead and see you when we get around back. Okay, here's something you don't see every day. So we'll show you what we got. We have a lot of mold here. And what it really is a fish pond. So it's really cool and unique. As you can see, I have a bunch of fish in here this morning. I think they think they're going to be getting fed. I'm not the food guy. Anyway, we have mold growing up here and all over the place. The only thing, it takes longer to do this because I cannot use any chlorine back here. So it's going to be kind of tough. But anyway, beautiful little thing to have in your yard, and we'll be back when we're done. Alright, here we are. Check it out. Nice brand new looking driveway. Nice and clean. Really makes a big difference when you get your driveway cleaned. Makes the house look nice and new. Anyway, let's go around the back here. And always remember to get the side pad by the garage door. It's always a plus. A lot of guys don't put that in there. That's why they're out of business. Anyway, let's go ahead and go back here and check this fish pond out. Got all the mold off the cage. And keep note, we don't have any, didn't use any chemicals back here. So it came out really good. Customer's happy as usual. Takes a little longer to do that. When we got these fish in here, they think they're going to eat. Anyway, nice little setup back here. Anyway, no matter what you have, pond, pool, house, or any other exterior cleaning, you know who to call. Superblast Pressure Washing does it all.